everybody, Goody J here. I just have to announce to the world, especially the world of YouTube, that I just passed the 107 portion of the Aviator's FAA exam, pilot exam. As a matter of fact, here it is. They're going to be, I have to go online and I'm going to get a hard card from the FAA and take a few days to respond. That's government either way. It's got the stamp on it. U.S. Department of Transportation, Federal Aviation Administration, Airman Knowledge Test Report. Now that means that I can actually use my drone in the furtherance of a business, whether that be make money on YouTube, which I've never monetized it, but you can't make this stuff up. I had discussed with the president and owner of Ericsson's a couple of weeks ago about perhaps doing some videos and stuff, and I'd be more than happy to do that if he'd like. And I got a phone call. Now we can't take cell calls or text or anything like that in the state of Georgia while you're driving. Well, I parked my truck at home in the driveway, started to get out, and my cell phone starts ringing. Lo and behold, it was Robert of Ericsson's. And on Thursday morning, weather permitting, we're leaving Ericsson's at 7 a.m. And of all places we're going for this job, he said the job ought to take just one day. I'm going to be there just to videography, as it were. Oh, can I say professional video, licensed professional. Oh, that's going to take me a while to get used to. In any event, it's in Opelika, Alabama. I kid you not, Opelika. He hardly pronounced it correctly on the phone. God bless his heart. Anyway, that's all the news that's fit to print. I'm now a licensed drone operator, drone pilot. And that's it. Love, peace, and chicken grease. Gunny J out. I'm going to have a well-deserved beer. Bye.